Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have Neil's Reviews Coozies. Just look at that. How cool is that? It looks like it comes with a pack of a bunch of them here. A bunch, I don't know. And then there was a couple of blanks in here too. Yeah, some blanks. So if you do sublimation or something like that, you can actually try to put your own logos and stuff on there. I don't really have that machine. My sister does. So this is what the Coozie looks like, and this is what a can of soda looks like. So we are going to put a can of soda into the Coozie. They're pretty tight, because I was using one the other day. They're fairly tight, so you could use it for cans, and you could use it for probably like a bottled water, or would even fit in there too. But there we go. So there, Neil's Reviews and Unboxings is in there. So these are cool. So if you need a custom Coozie made, I would recommend this one here because mine looks great. This looks so cool. So that is it. So you get a pack of a bunch of them, and I think the different levels you can get, you can end up getting hundreds of them if you want. But really cool. Super awesome. Koozies are fun. Nice. Now it'll keep my can nice and cool and my hand nice and warm. Thumbs up. Very good.